Hi, tonight I'm making raspberry creme brulee cocktails. They're a dessert cocktail that we first tried when we were on P&O cruises. They're quite popular on board ship, and I know they're really popular with some of the members of our P&O fan page Facebook group as well. So what you need to make a raspberry creme brulee is some Irish cream liqueur. So this is Bailey's. Well, this one isn't actually Bailey's. This is a supermarket own from Tesco. This one. For cocktail making, I find that that's perfectly fine. So you don't need to splash out on Bailey's if you don't want to. There's Chambord. This one I do recommend you splash out on. This is a black raspberry liqueur and is really delicious. I really like this in well, numerous cocktails really, but it's absolutely required for this one. This is caramel syrup. So this one is by Monin. It just smells and tastes divine really. If you can't get hold of this, although I recommend you do try, then you can use one of the sort of ice cream syrups if you need to. In here there's some berry puree, so I've just whizzed up in the NutriBullet blender some soft fruits. I didn't have entirely raspberries, I just have the frozen berries in the freezer, so I whizzed up a pack of those, so it's a bit of a mixed berry one, this one. And then some single cream as well. Recommend single cream over double cream for cocktails, it's just a bit smoother, doesn't get so clunky. So in the freezer I've had, whoops, my cocktail glass. I've got the cocktail shaker half filled with ice. I'm actually making two. I'm making one for me and one for Tony as well. I use the 2-part shaker, but you can get shakers with the built-in strainer as well. This is just my preference. So with the jigger, you need 2 shots each for each person, each cocktail that you're making, of the Baileys or the Irish cream liqueur. So, oops. Make sure I get plenty of that in. So I'm making 2 in the same shaker, just for quickness really. So there's our Baileys. You need 1 shot each. I must point out I'm doing 50 ml for doubles here. So 1 shot of each, so 25 ml each of the raspberry liqueur. I love this, it smells gorgeous. And then tip that over, I've got 25 ml on the other side. Half a shot each of the caramel syrup. And then it's about half a shot each of the fruit puree. I'm just going to dump 2 big teaspoons worth in because it's easier than putting that into the jigger. And then a shot each of single cream. This is smelling gorgeous. So, just got enough. We were drinking these last night as well. So just get me back. This is really an after dinner or an afternoon tea perhaps. It might be good for afternoon tea, but it's really a dessert cocktail. They're quite delicious. So that's everything in there. Stick the lid on that. Whoops. Turn it around. Give it a good shake. I usually keep shaking until my hand feels like it's going to freeze. That's about right. And with this one, I'm going to leave the mixture in the metal part, so it's a bit easier to use a strainer. And then, oh, it smells gorgeous. So I've got 2 cocktail glasses here. Hopefully you can see those. Just move that over a little bit. And I've got my strainer here. Ooh. Now, what I should point out is in the P&O's recipe, they do actually put the fruit puree in the bottom as well. I think they use more of a syrup on board ship, I'm not sure. But what I've found when I've been experimenting at home is when I put the puree in the bottom, it starts to mingle with the rest of the mixture and it looks a bit rubbish. So I leave that out now. And there we go. Oops. Try not to spill any. Too nice to spill. There we go. That's the shorter one, so Tony can have that one. And there we have it. That's the raspberry creme brulee cocktail. Cheers.